A simple life is not a poor life. A simple life is a clear life. It is light. It is calm. It is easy to understand. When we live simply, we feel free. We know what we do. We know what we want. We do not run all day. We do not try to show more than we are. We just live, and we enjoy our day. Many people think happiness is big. They think they need many things. A new phone, a big house, many clothes, many trips. But after they buy one more thing, they want another thing. The mind is not quiet. The heart is not full. A simple life is different. It says, I have enough. I am enough. This feeling brings peace. Simple life starts with our time. Time is our one real treasure. We cannot buy more time. We can only choose how to use it. When we live simply, we choose what matters. We put first things first. We wake up, we breathe, we smile, we say thanks. We are not in a race. We move slowly, and we move well. This makes the day feel warm. Look at your morning. In a simple life, morning is gentle. You drink water. You open the window. You look at the sky. You stretch your body. You plan 3 small tasks for the day. Not 10. Only 3. You can do them well. When the list is short, the mind is calm. You feel strong because you finish what you start. Simple life also means simple space. A clean room helps a clean mind. We do not need many things in our home. We keep what we use. We give or sell what we do not use. We choose one table, one chair, a bed, some light, a plant, a few books. We know where each thing is. We can find it fast. This saves time and stops stress. Clothes can be simple too. We do not need a big closet. We can choose a few colors we like. We can choose clothes that fit and feel good. When we open the closet, we do not think for a long time. We pick one shirt and one pair of pants. We use our energy for life, not for small choices that do not matter. Food is a big part of a simple life. We choose food that is close to nature: rice, vegetables, fruits, eggs, beans, fish. We cook at home when we can. We sit down. We eat slowly. We taste the food. We say thanks for the people who grow it. This is healthy and kind to our body. A full stomach and a calm heart make a happy day. A simple life needs simple money habits. We learn to know the difference between need and want. Need is food, home, basic clothes, transport, health. Want is extra. When we know this, we can save money. We can pay for important things first. We can make a small plan for the month. We can write what we buy. When money is clear, the mind is clear. Our phone can be a friend or a trap. In a simple life, we use the phone with care. We turn off extra alerts. We keep only the apps we need. We have phone-free times, like after waking up and before sleep. We talk to people face to face when we can. We look at the sky, the trees, and the people we love, not only the screen. Then our mind can rest. Work can be simple too. Simple does not mean lazy. It means focused. We choose the one most important task for the morning. We close other tabs. We do this task for 25 minutes. We rest for 5 minutes. We repeat. This small system helps us finish work without feeling broken. When work is clear, we feel proud and light after the day ends. A simple life loves nature. Nature does not hurry, but it gets everything done. We can take a short walk in a park or on a quiet street. We can feel the wind on our face. We can watch birds. We can look at plants. Even 10 minutes helps. Our breath becomes deep. Our head becomes soft. We remember that life is big and beautiful. Relationships are better in a simple life. We choose quality over number. We do not try to please everyone. We spend time with good people who listen, who care, who help us grow. We give time to family and close friends. We say sorry when we make a mistake. We say thank you when they help us. We share small moments, tea, stories, walks. This brings real joy. Gratitude is a key to simple happiness. Every day we can name 3 good things. I have clean water. My friend sent a kind message. The sunset was pink. These are small, but they are real. Gratitude trains the heart to see light. When we notice good things, our day shines. We stop looking only at problems. We see gifts. Rest is part of a simple life. We do not have to be busy all the time. We can take breaks. We can sleep 7 to 9 hours at night. We can close our eyes for 1 minute and breathe when we feel stress. Rest is not a reward after work. Rest is fuel for life. When we rest well, we think better, speak kinder, and live happier. A simple life also means simple words. We say what we mean. We do not promise more than we can do. We use kind words with others and with ourselves. We do not say, I am stupid. We say, I am learning. We do not say, I cannot. We say, I cannot yet. Simple words shape a strong, gentle mind. Dreams can be simple too. A dream does not have to be huge to be good. A simple dream can be to read 10 pages a day, to cook dinner with family twice a week, to learn 10 new words in English each day, to save a small part of our income, to plant 1 tree. Small steps, done often, make a big change over time. Problems still come in a simple life. Life is not perfect. But when our life is simple, we are ready. We have space in our mind. We can see the problem clearly. We can ask for help. We can make a small plan. 1 step today, 1 step tomorrow. We do not panic as much. We move slowly, but we move forward. How do we start? We start small. Choose 1 area. Time, space, phone, food, or money. Make 1 change today. Maybe clean 1 drawer. Delete 5 apps. Walk for 10 minutes. Cook 1 easy meal. Write 3 good things before sleep. Keep this for 1 week. Then add 1 more small change next week. Simple life grows like a plant, little by little. When we live simply, we enjoy simple joy. We hear the laugh of a child. We feel warm tea in our hands. We see the color of the morning. We talk with a friend and really listen. We finish a task and feel proud. We rest at night with a quiet heart. These moments are not loud, but they are true. They make a happy life. In the end, Simple life, happy life is not a rule from outside. It is a choice from inside. It is the choice to keep what matters and to let go of the rest. It is the choice to be present now. It is the choice to love the small things. When we choose this way, our days feel clear. Our steps are light. Our smile is real. And happiness is here in this simple moment.